Hello, I'm Olivia from the Michigan Youth Empowerment Foundation. Today, I'm going to be giving a brief introduction on computer science. Make sure to stay to the end of the video to get some resources to help start your computer science journey. What is computer science? When people think of computer science, they often think of screens filled with nonsensical code. But there's much more to computer science than that. Computer science is the study of computers and computing. This includes the theoretical and algorithmic foundations of computers, hardware and software, and much more. Today, I will be talking about the uses of computer science, the history and evolution of computer science, and different coding languages. First of all, why is computer science so important? Computer science allows us to continue to improve our technology and increase people's quality of life. It is also essential in all fields. For example, one must know social media algorithms in order to effectively promote. Computer science is also used in graphic design, communication, and for research. It lets us find large amounts of information quickly through things like data mining. But where did computer science come from? Computer science was created by Alan Turing, a mathematician who developed the first modern computers and created the Turing test, a procedure that formed the basis for AI. The term computer science was created and defined by George Forsyth in 1961. Computer science was established as an academic discipline in the 1950s and 1960s. But the electronic digital computer that is the focus of its study was invented nearly 2 decades later. Computer science is now split into many fields, including AI, human-computer interface, algorithms, networking and communication, game design, software engineering, graphics and visual computing, information security, programming languages, and theory. But now that we know about computer science, how exactly do computers read code? Computers read binary code, consisting of only ones and zeros. This was what computer users used in the 1950s. But people quickly realized that writing code using binary code was neither practical nor reliable. So they created an assembly language. This allowed programmers to use symbols for code. Another program called an assembler would then translate this into binary code. But later in the same decade, people decided to create higher-level languages closer to natural language, called autocode. 2 examples of autocode are Fortran and COBOL. ALGOL, short for algorithm language, was also created during this time. It is the initial phase of popular languages today, including Java, C, and C++. Over the years, more and more coding languages have come out, making it easier to write code. Now you know the basics for computer science, but the subject is so broad, with many languages to choose from. So, where should you start? For beginners, I would recommend starting with JavaScript, Python, or Java. These languages are much easier to understand. There are also plenty of resources for people wanting to code. Code.org and Scratch MIT are great websites for beginners who want to learn about how coding works. There are also websites like Stack Overflow with communities to help you with coding problems. NYU has its own coding courses, including CyberPy for block coding, Intro to Java Data Structure for AP, CSA, and USACO, Little Inventor with Halo Code, Pre-course for Python programming, and Python programming levels 1, 2, and 3. This video went over the importance of computer science, its history and evolution, and some coding languages. I hope this video was helpful, and make sure to check the description to see the resources I mentioned above.